G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is another bathroom, of course. I'm just setting up my camera. Yeah, so I've done the screed. It's a walk-in shower, no hob, of course. Everyone is doing away with the hob these days. No such thing now. It's going to be a thing of the past. A nice niche there, which is in proportion to the shower. This shower is going to be a 950 wide by 950 wide. It's a pre-made shower. So the shower screen guy, Chris his name is, that does a lot of my shower screens, will be fitting it for the owners. I need to do my architrave before I start tiling. The owners have put in this cabinet. We're laughing, good to go. So I've done the sealer the other day. I did that before I did my screed. So my next step is to polyurethane, stick some gloves on. I've got a pulled muscle in my groin. I did it yesterday. Shit, it's a bit sore. Anyway, tough it out. Tough it out, Chriso, you wuss. No, it comes and goes, and it makes my leg dead from time to time. So yes, this is my first step. I polyurethane every joint. Nice. Smooth it out a bit. Look at that. I showed you how to do this slope the other day. I hope you took notice. So I'll do this whole wall up to this height. I'll be putting my bandage over that, and then around here I'll be coming up to 1200. Put on another glove. It pays to have a box glove, so you just changing them all the time. Nice. You get the picture, everyone? Good. I need to change my sausage. Your sausage. At the moment I've got 3 bathrooms going at once. And when you like things running to clockwork like I do, well then you've got to be on the ball all the time, making sure you've got the materials for each job ready, because you're one day here, one day there, 2 days here, 2 days at another one, but it's all good. Otherwise you're sitting at home waiting for things to dry, like your waterproof, like your screeded bed. I've been away at another job, so it all works out well. Everything flows. See how I'm doing my polyurethane? Oh, I've got a blowout. A blowout in my glove. It's alright. You can't get this polyurethane on your hands, it makes a hell of a mess. It was a bit hard getting up then. Pinch nerve. Okay. I've got to put in another sausage, and then I can fill those. I'll start putting my bond breaker bandage around. We'll see you soon. So I'm just popping up the niche. Beauty. Oof. This is how you do it, folks. DIYs. You don't have to be all pretty and just bog it up. Just bog it up. This is such good stuff, this polyurethane. I love it. I pick it up from the hardware. What does it cost? $12.70, like $13 a sausage. Your sausage. And when it's dry, it is so strong. This is why you got to wear gloves, see? Look at that. But when it's dry, I wouldn't be able to pull that cement sheet apart, I tell you. Which is good to know, everyone. The beauty of gloves. Get another pair. Look at that. Chuck them out. Keep your hands clean. Pretty that up a little bit. Always eyeballing for anything missed. Put on some gloves again. These used to be powdered. I don't know why they're not these days. I don't know. If your hands are a little bit damp, they're a pain to put on. It's amazing the different shapes of your hand tools, you know. This one, I pull out of my toolbox, it's a different shape to that one. But they're all in my toolbox, ready and waiting to do their part of the job. I'm going to stick it this height because I'm using a 600 by 600 tile, I'm going to stay at this height, and I reckon it's better than the 300 high. The 300 high is just a little bit too small, I reckon. Once you get your bottle of shampoo, you got to have a little bit of room for the, you know, when the plunger is extended, you got to have a little bit of room so you can just whooshka shampoo. You're laughing. Right, I've got to get some tape out for around my pipes. I'll zap that, go across there. Right, let's do it, Chriso. Nice. Just bog it up. Right, I don't have to go 1200 high. I don't have to, but why not? I don't use stuff all more. Waterproofing, instead of just going around. What I'm talking about is instead of just going around it 200 mil up around the out of the shower, around the rest of the floor. Nice. Okay, I'll go and get my tape, my gauze tape for around the pipes, and then I'll start waterproofing it, people. Back to you soon.